your feet and relax your ankle. Relax your knee. Feet together, chukcha. Now bend your right knee and hold your right foot with the both hands. Inhale, straight your right leg up, exhale. Push your right leg up your side. 5, 4, back straight. 3, 2 and 1. Inhale, exhale, straight your both hands up, look up. 5, normal breathing. 4, back straight. 3, 2 and 1. Bend your right leg. Both hands back. Inhale, lift your hip up. Exhale, touch your left foot onto the floor and look back. 5, straight your leg. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back, inhale, exhale, look down. Now look front, left hand up. Now hold your right foot with the left hand. Inhale, exhale, right hand back. Near to your hip, back straight. Both shoulders same line. 5. Breathing normal. Straight your left leg. 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale. Exhale. First come. Now bend your right knee. More. Touch your foot near to your hip first. Right hand up. Inhale. Exhale. Bend front. Down. Finger low. Down thigh. Inhale. Exhale. Look down. Straight your left leg. 5. Normal breathing. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale and exhale. Now this time, hold your right foot with the left hand. Tai Chi. Yes. Right hand. Under your leg first and straight your right leg up. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Look up. 5. Breathing normal. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale, exhale. Now bend your right knee down first. Straight your left leg, both hands up. Inhale, lift your back up. Exhale, bend front. Hold your foot, elbow down and flex your left foot. 5. Try to touch your chest with your leg. 4, breathing normal. 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale, both hands up. Exhale, down. Right hand onto the back. Here first. Inhale, lift your hip up. Exhale, bend your back. Straight your left leg, left hand shoulder down. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale and exhale. Now this time, open your right leg. Right side first. Tension, chai, straight leg. Now, hold your right ankle with the left hand. Inhale, right hand up, exhale. Hold your left foot, open chest and look up. 5, breathing normal. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale, exhale. Now one more back bend pose, right hand. Back first, straight your left hand front. Inhale, lift your hip up. Exhale, bend your back. 5, breathing normal. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale, exhale. Very slow. Come back first. Now right leg, right side, and hold your both feet. Inhale, exhale. Drop your chest down. Inhale, look front. Keep your back straight, straight leg, look front. 5, breathing normal. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale, exhale. Now, feet together. Take deep. Inhale, exhale. Now bend your right leg, left side. Hold your left big toe. Inhale, right hand up, exhale. Look up. Tension 5. Straight your right leg, straight your left leg. Open your chest. Look up. 5. Keep your hand with your head together. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale, exhale. Both hands up. Finger log straight hand. Inhale, shoulder up. Exhale, bend left side. Open chest, look up. 5, 4, straighten. 3, 2 and 1. Inhale, exhale. Both hands down first. Now hold your left foot with the both hands. Inhale, exhale. Elbow down, look down. Straight leg, drop your knee down. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now do this one. Chan chai raise up. Left leg. Back here. Straight your left leg. Down. Bend your left knee. Hold your foot here. Both hands together. Upside. Downside and upside. You can choose any position. Like this. 5. Try. 4. 3. 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale. Exhale. Now straight your both hands. Front first and thumb down. Chest onto the floor. Look down. Normal breathing. 5. Drop your hip down. 4. Go down. 3. 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale. Exhale. Now chan chai choke. Left leg. Front. Cross your right knee with the left leg. Left foot. And touch your right foot near to your hip. Back straight. Thumb down. Right hand up. Now hold your left foot with the right hand. Inhale, left hand, back, exhale, look back. Both shoulders in line, breathing normal. 5, 4, both shoulders in line, hip down. 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now, straight. 2 and 1. High thigh leg. Both hands up. Inhale, exhale. Knee leg look up. 5. Normal breathing. 4. Straight leg. Shoulder back. 3, 2 and got chin chai. High thigh shoulder. Both hands back. Lift your hip up. Inhale, mom leg. Exhale, look back. Touch your left foot down. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale, exhale, tuck your belly, look down. Now look front, right hand up. Now put your right hand on your left knee. Hold your left foot with the right hand and left hand back. Back straight, straight leg. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale, exhale. Now this time, gapchan chai. Just close to your ear. Left hand up. Bend front first and both hands. Done by circle. Inhale, exhale, look down. Straight your right leg, flex your right foot, go down. 5, 4, drop your knee down. 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale, exhale. Now, this time, hold your left foot with the right hand. Left hand. Under your left leg, inhale, straight your left leg up. Look up. Exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back, inhale, exhale. Now bend your left knee down, back straight, straight your right leg. Both hands up. Inhale, shoulder up, back up. Exhale, hold your right foot with the both hands. Both hands, elbow down, drop your right knee down. Breathing normal. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Both hands up. Inhale, exhale, very slow, both hands down. Now put your left hand onto the back. Lift your hip up. Inhale, come left. Exhale, bend your back. Right hand, shoulder up. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale, exhale. Now from here, open your right leg onto the side. Gapchan chai. Yes. Open, move, yes. Now hold your left ankle with the right hand. Right hand up. Yes. Left hand up. Left hand up. That's it. Inhale and exhale. Straight leg, hold it. Open chest. Look up. 5, 4, more twist. 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale, exhale. Now one more time. Left hand back, right hand front. Inhale, lift your hip up. Exhale, bend your back. Right shoulder down. Lift your back, lift your hip up, straight your right leg. Touch your right foot onto the floor. 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale, exhale. Chan chai. Left leg, left side. Now hold your both feet one by one. Inhale, exhale, go down. Back straight, look front. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale, exhale, chukcha. Now both feet together first. Now bend your left knee. Chan 5. Right leg. right side, tension 5. Now hold your right big toe. Inhale, left hand up, straight over the head. Exhale, in the head. 5, 4, look up, straight head. 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale, exhale, down. Both hands up, down thigh, figure low. Inhale, exhale, bend right side. Straight hand, open your chest. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back, inhale, exhale, both hands down first. Now hold your right foot with the both hands. High thigh, combination 5. Inhale, exhale, go down. Straight to your right leg, both hands, elbow down. 5, flex to your right foot. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale, exhale. Chant 5. Raise our right leg back. Isn't close. Tension 5. Straight your right leg once more. Now bend your right leg. Tension 5. Hold it with both hands. Yes. Try look up. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale, exhale, straight your right leg, both hands front. Inhale, exhale, drop your chest down. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale, exhale. Now turn 5. Right leg front. Cross your left knee and right hand. Down, left hand up. Inhale, exhale. Now hold your right foot to the left hand. Yes. Back straight, look back, shoulders in line. 5. You can do here also. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Come back. Inhale, exhale. Go chin waist up. Now bend your both legs under your hip. Yes. Chin 5 waist up. Go chin. Inhale, exhale. Equal pausa. Stand. On your knee, hold your waist, elbow close. Inhale, exhale. Lung lên up. 5. Come lên, shoulder down. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Inhale, exhale, thigh strokes. Go down, child position and relax.